Before we begin, check that the door is shutting correctly. Check that a child lock has not been set. Press the buttons near the key symbol until the icon disappears from your display. Unplug the appliance from the socket and hold down the Start/Pause button for 10 seconds. And then plug it back in. Check that the water tap under the sink is fully open. Then, check the outlet pipe for any blockages, kinks or bends. Check the filter for any blockages. Turn the filter anti-clockwise and pull it away from the dishwasher. Remove the coarse filter and rinse both parts under running water to reinsert the coarse filter and turn the filter clockwise to lock it into place. It's time to try the appliance again. For more help and support, visit argos-support.co.uk.